And we're now getting some breaking news. This is regarding the molester Baba case. Now, big claim by the Delhi police in the court. Delhi's molester Baba installed cameras in the bathroom and that he had access, the direct access to the feed from those cameras that were installed in the bathrooms. And when asked about the charges against him, the molester Baba, Chaitanyananda, said that he is ready for a lie detector test.
स्वामी 16 लड़कियों ने आप एक गंभीर आरोप लगाए हैं। क्या आप लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? क्या आप लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? पाता स्वामी, लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए आप तैयार हैं? क्या पाता स्वामी, क्या आप लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? 16 लड़कियों ने आप पे आरोप लगाए हैं।
My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining us with more details on this. Shreya, shocking details continue to emerge in the molester Baba case. Now we're learning that he had in fact installed cameras in the bathroom and he had direct access to the feed from those cameras as well. This is what the Delhi police have claimed in the court. Give us more details.
Well, extremely shocking detail emerging from that court hearing as Swami Chaitanyananda, who is produced in the police, court after the Delhi police arrested him from Agra late midnight at 3 a.m. This is the sexual molestation case that he's been arrested in. The Delhi police has sought a custody of 5 days. But the shocking claim is that this man, he had allegedly installed CCTV cameras in the bathrooms that were used by women students, and he had direct access to that. So Delhi police says they need to do seizures. They need to confront him with the deletion of WhatsApp messages and electronic devices, and he needs to be confronted with other co-accused, because remember, there were allegations against 3 women warden as well. So this is a case where the Delhi police is seeking 5 days of custody. It will be seen how it transpires. The court has as of now reserved its order for 4:45 p.m. today.
All right, Shreya, thank you for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this. Let's once again listen into what the molester Baba said when he was confronted.
पाता स्वामी 16 लड़कियों ने आप एक गंभीर आरोप लगाए हैं। क्या आप लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? क्या आप लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? पाता स्वामी, लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए आप तैयार हैं? क्या पाता स्वामी, क्या आप लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? 16 लड़कियों ने आप पे आरोप लगाए हैं। क्या आप लाई डिटेक्टर टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं?